Hey there, plant bestie. Today we're tackling one of the most mysterious debates in plant care history. Should you miss your indoor plants or are you just spraying lies in their leaves? It's time to separate the facts from the myth. The mystery begins. I bought a spray bottle and named it Cloud, and now I'm going around my home misting my beloved plants. But wait, do plants actually want this type of spa treatment, or are they silently screaming, "Stop moisture spraying me"? Not every plant loves a facial. Some prefer dry air, while others become high on humidity, like it's photosynthesis champagne. Who loves the mist? Ferns, calatheas, and tropical plants. These guys are total humidity junkies. They love it wetter than a rainforest in a monsoon season. But succulents, cacti, they like it more desert dry. Outdoors, the humidity loving plants, they love not just a mist but a shower with a garden hose, especially in summer. This increases the humidity around the plants for a longer time, especially if they've got a water tray underneath them. The myth of misting indoors. Here's the dirt. Misting with a spray bottle raises humidity for your indoor plants for about 5 minutes. Then it's gone faster than my motivation to water on schedule. Humidity needs consistency, not sudden spikes, because unless you're misting your plants 288 times a day like an overhydrated sprinkler system, the air won't stay humid for long. And honestly, who has the time? In fact, it can be detrimental for your plants. Going from low humidity like 40% up to high humidity like 90% and back down again stresses your plants out. They can't adapt to those roller coaster conditions. It's better to let your plants adjust to your home's natural humidity levels instead. When misting goes wrong, ever seen black spots or mold or white powdery dust on your leaves? That's your plant's way of saying, "Thanks for the facial, but now I have acne." Excess moisture that doesn't evaporate fast enough on the leaves can cause fungal drama, and nobody wants to star in The Mold and the Beautiful. This is especially true for begonia and fuzzy-leaved plants. Prolonged water on those delicate leaves is an invite to fungal disease. And let's not forget, misting can also leave watermarks, those annoying streaks that make your leaves look like they just lost a fight with hard water. So what's the verdict? Misting isn't evil, it's just overhyped and time-consuming. Great for tropicals that love high humidity, but better to use a garden hose outdoors to spray the leaves and better in summer when the moisture can evaporate. Useless and sometimes harmful for desert dry plants. Misting, especially in winter, can cause fungal diseases. So go ahead, mist if it makes you feel good, but remember it's more about consistent humidity than once a day fog party. Like and subscribe and share this video with a friend who misses their cactus. Stay rooted and watch this video here if you want to know how to increase humidity for your plant without using a humidifier.